Hello, in this video we're gonna check if ZTE Blade V40s have a stereo speaker. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers for this device, and the first one is on top right here. That's a phone call speaker. The second is at the bottom right here. There's nothing on the right side as well as nothing on the left side. On top we have no speaker, and the back also no speaker. So now to determine if that's a stereo speaker or mono speaker, we'll need to play some music, and if the sound will be coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker, and if the sound is coming from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So clearly sound is coming from the bottom source only, and that would mean this device has a mono speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.